Everybody, welcome, and I'm going to be showing you how to do your file formats in Software Practice. First thing we need to do is download our files here. So once we click our link, we'll get this drop down. We'll go ahead and click here. That's going to take you to this Google Drive where we are going to click the download. You can either do that right up here in the top right or by clicking this blue download. We're just going to click download anyway. I made the file, so I can assure you that there are no viruses in there. Once we have our zip file downloaded right here, what we're going to do is click, hold, and drag. Now notice how this file looks really funny. This is what we call a zip file. A zip file is a type of compressed files, so that way it takes up less space. So we're going to have to open the zip file before we can get our actual files. So let's just go ahead and double click. Notice how we have a blue folder that just popped up right behind here. Let's go ahead and double click and open that up as well. We can move that over to the right here just for a moment, and we're just going to leave it there. Next, what we're going to do is go back to our document here, and notice how it says open the file titled 2223 Classroom Procedures. What we're going to do is go over here and we're going to find 2223 Classroom Procedures. And before we open it, I want you to take a look at where it says .pptx. That is what we call a file extension. And that is going to be the first question you have to answer when it says, what is the file extension? So what you'll do is right below here, just type in for the 2223 classroom procedures, we'll type in pptx. Now let's go ahead and open that and see what happens. So notice how PowerPoint opened up. So where it says what software opened the file, we are going to put PowerPoint. Next, where it says what type of media is it, we're going to look at our different types of media. So we have text, photo, video, sound, and animation. For this one, we're just going to go ahead and put presentation just because it's kind of a mix of all of those. Now, when you continue on with the rest, you're going to do the exact same that we did here. You'll look at your file extension. You'll open up the file, list what software opened it up. You can always see up in the top left here what that file or what that software is. And then just look and see what it is. You're going to find some that are going to be audio, some are going to be video. So it's just a matter of kind of opening them up and seeing what software opens that type of file extension. This is important to know, especially when we get into Illustrator and Photoshop, what files open with what.